Countdown on Bloomberg TV, I'm Olivia Stearns.
And I'm Menace Cranny. Now, in the past month, the UAE has gone from being labelled as a frontier market to an emerging one. So what does that mean for investment? Well, we're joined now by Philippe Ghanem. He's the Managing Director and Vice Chairman of ADS Securities in Abu Dhabi. Forex and commodities is your business. Welcome to the show. Great to have you here.
Thank you for having me.
Not at all. The upgrade that you've seen, I mean, this is quite important. Moving from one status position from frontier to emerging markets. How important is that to the region?
It's very important for the region, especially for Abu Dhabi. But Abu Dhabi anticipated that move and prepared the country both in infrastructure, legally, capitalization. And it's for that that we're seeing today Abu Dhabi being used as a great bridge for business and also as investment coming into the UAE. So we're seeing that move quite positive.
It's been an incredible year for investment in Abu Dhabi, right? The Dubai benchmark index climbed 44% in 2014 alone. Okay, we're 5 months in. Property prices up 35% last year. That sounds a little bit frothy. Do you think now is still really a good time to buy in? And if so, where are you seeing these opportunities?
Today, you have to see opportunity in technology. Today, Abu Dhabi has invested a lot of money into technology, and technology that can be used worldwide. Also, you can see the opportunity into banking. We are now sophisticated enough to receive very important clients, very big amounts, and ADS also had to adapt itself to Abu Dhabi upgrade. Also, as investments, yeah, it's true, the money is there, and capitalization is even stronger from Asia, Abu Dhabi, and also coming to Europe at a later stage.
And that flow of capital is driven into the Emirates around the whole region. And the one thing that you say is that you're going to see a lot more bond issuance from Abu Dhabi, from Dubai, etc. I mean, what kind of credit quality are we talking about? What kind of yield is achievable? And what kind of risk do I have to take to access that story?
Definitely yield is more than what you see in Europe. So this is important because of the opportunities that Abu Dhabi has over there. On the other side, risk is very important for Abu Dhabi and corporate governance. So it's very important that Europe knows and the West knows that Abu Dhabi is doing everything to ensure that risk is very well calculated and their money is safe.
Obviously, Abu Dhabi, though, the UAE, is in the middle of a region that is suffering from a lot of turmoil right now. Egypt looks like it's going back to a military dictatorship. We're year 3 into the Syrian civil war, and of course, Iraq looks far from stable. How can you pitch people on the stability of the markets in the Middle East, given that context?
I think Abu Dhabi has pitched itself as a non-political country. It is a business country. You feel when you go there, you just smell the air and you feel you're doing business. It's a different environment. So you do not feel at all the instability. The opposite, you feel great stability, great security.
Talk to me about, this is something which we had the National Bank of Abu Dhabi in here yesterday, and they were talking about growth, they were talking about expansion, they're talking about building a global business. Is it an opportunity? This is the same question for you that I had for him. We're seeing a lot of people here in London and in various financial centres go into redundancy mode. A lot of talented people, very, very talented people, knowledgeable people, exiting their current institutions. Is that an opportunity for you, Philippe, in terms of hiring?
Of course, it is an opportunity. You know, there are very talented people, like you say, and it is important that we look into it. And we are always in seek of more talented people. But of course, what we are surprised is that more local people in the UAE are extremely talented, and they're bringing added value to the companies, sometimes more than us foreigners.
Oh, all right. So you're not just importing that skilled labor anymore.
Not anymore.
Our thanks to Philippe Ghanem, Managing Director and Vice Chairman of ADS Securities there.
Okay.